Hey, so you just got your new iPhone 17 Pro Max and now you wanna pair your old Apple Watch with it and without losing any data and even without your old iPhone where it was synced before. Don't worry, let me show you this easy step-by-step process to get it all set up perfectly. So alright, here you can see my old Apple Watch is still paired with my old iPhone, but I don't have that old iPhone anymore. So the first thing on your Apple Watch, go to Settings, then General, and scroll all the way down, go to Reset. And here you have to tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Don't panic before you confirm this step. So you have to make sure the Apple ID on your old iPhone and your new iPhone are the same. Otherwise, your data can't be restored. And once that's confirmed, go ahead and tap Erase All. And now the magic will happen. Now it will take a few moments for the watch to reset. Once it's done, you will see the setup pop up that says ready to pair. Now you have to grab your new iPhone 17 Pro Max and you will automatically see a screen that says set up Apple Watch. Now tap on Setup for myself. Now you have to scan the animation on your Apple Watch with your iPhone's camera. After a few seconds, it will say Apple Watch is paired. Now you will see the two options, restore from backup or set up as new Apple Watch. Now choose restore from backup, then select your old Apple Watch name and tap continue. Now if it says Apple Watch locked to owner, don't worry. Then you have to enter your Apple ID and password, then tap next. You might be asked to sign in a couple more times for Apple account verification. Just follow those prompts. And after signing in again, you can customize your Apple Watch preference that way you like. Just wait a bit and once it's done, you will see the welcome screen, get to know your watch. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is now successfully paired and synced with your new iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other new iPhone with all your data restored perfectly. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.